welcome to another video. Apologies for the background. It's far from ideal, but you're not here for the video quality, you are not here for the sound quality, but you are here for this one. This is Huawei GT 2 watch. Should you buy it or should you avoid it? Right. Let's start listing all the stuff this watch doesn't have, which are not that many. It doesn't have NFC. Only the Chinese version has NFC. All the other versions, all the watches that come to Europe, States, they don't have NFC. This means that you cannot make payments, right? It doesn't have navigation, maps, not GPS, maps. They are two different things. So you can use it as a sat nav. It doesn't have turn navigation. Even if you're connected to the phone, that's a limitation. And what else it doesn't have? I think that's all about it. Let's start now. What this watch it does have? It does have a gorgeous panel. I have the big version, the 36 inches. So AMOLED panel. It's not sluggish at all because the OS is custom made by Huawei. It's not Android OS. It's Huawei's OS. That's the reason why the battery lasts for about 2 weeks. It did last way more than 10 days, provided you're not using the GPS all the time. So, great screen, really nice operating system and quick. Loads of sensors, heart sensor, sleep sensor, heart monitor sensor, oxygen on the blood sensor. It measures all this. I have no idea how, but it does. It measures heart rate. It does monitor how well you sleep. It does monitor if you are stressed or not. You can use it as an MP3 player. You have more than 2 gigs internal memory. You can plug it in. It does have Bluetooth. It does have a speakerphone. It does have a microphone. You can take calls, provided that it is connected to your phone. Loads of watches, to choose from. I've done another video about this if you want to see it. Nice, comfy, lasts forever, and is cheap. I bought this here in UK for about 120 pounds. I'm sorry. So it does everything and looks good, lasts forever, has all the features, more features than an Apple Watch. My girlfriend has an Apple Watch, the third one I think, and she keeps telling me that she has way less features than mine. She's kind of jealous, and it's not only that. Her battery lasts only for 1 day tops, whilst mine, as I said, it does last for 10 days, so you can wear it when you're sleeping and all this kind of stuff. And you can use it as an MP3 player as well. So, what's my verdict on this watch? I think it's a great watch, and you should definitely go ahead and buy it. Thanks for watching, guys.